Hello friends, in this video we're going to learn how to register on Bit Exchange. When you enter the website, on top click on sign up. Then you can register in two ways. The first way is by email and the second one is by mobile. We choose the email. Enter your email plus password, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. If you have a referral code, you enter it here and check this box to agree into the terms and conditions of the website. Finally, click on sign up. We'll receive a code in our email in order to verify our email. Go to your email, choose Beat and copy the code. Then paste it here. Click on confirm. We'll enter our accounts dashboard. Our account has been created. And for next video, we'll teach you how to verify your account on Bit Exchange. Good luck.